Adam here at the Digital Go-To Showroom, and I'm proud to present to you the 15 to 30 millimeter f2.8 G2 from Tamron. Let's check it out. First, I want to thank Tamron for sending us an early edition of this lens. It's not yet available for sale. It will be available shortly in the Nikon mount first, and then in the Canon mount. In this video, I'm going to go over some of its great features. I'm going to go over my first impressions. I'm also going to share with you some of the great photos that I've taken with it with the Nikon D850. The first version of this lens, the 15 to 30, was well received by the photo community as a high quality, affordable, ultra wide angle lens. This is no different. Now it takes on that sophisticated look of the G2 series lineup of lenses, but the optics have also been optimized for even better quality pictures. Now this lens is designed for the full frame camera where it gives you a 110 degrees field of view. So it's great for shooting astrophotography, architectural, landscape. You can also use this on a crop sensor camera body if you have one, where it's going to give you an angle of view of about 71 degrees and the equivalent focal length of 22 to 45 millimeters. So what's new with the G2 version? Well, Tamron's developed an all-new lens coating for this ultra wide angle zoom lens. It's the AX coating. This is the anti-reflective X-band coating. This is going to further enhance and improve image quality even from edge to edge of the frame. Now, in addition to the AX coating, it has the E-band, B-bar coatings on it as well to give you the best image quality that you can get from this lens. The lens design, it's 18 elements in 13 groups. You have a 9-blade rounded diaphragm, and make sure to stay to the end to see all the sample photos because you're going to see that you get a beautiful bokeh effect from this. It also has a constant f2.8 throughout the zoom and the aperture range of f2.8 to f22. With all the new high-resolution, high-performance cameras out there, like the Nikon D850, Canon's 5D SR, and 5D Mark IV, Tamron's really keeping pace with this new lens. But in addition to its optics and coatings, the lens features a dual MPU system. That's a microprocessing unit. You have one dedicated to vibration compensation, and you also have one dedicated to autofocus. This lens is equipped with Tamron's ultrasonic silent drive autofocus motor. Now let me tell you, this autofocus is fast, it's quiet, it's precise. It's going to be great for photographing moving subject matter, not only still subject matter if you're doing landscape, but videographers are going to love this. I was trying it out on the Nikon D850. The focus is able to keep up with tracking subject matter. Now if you're going to use it with the Canon dual pixel autofocus, it's going to work really well. In addition to its AF, you have full-time manual focus override. But what I really love and appreciate from the Tamron lenses is that you can get up close and personal with your subject matter. This lens allows you to get up close as 11 inches, so you can get some really dramatic shots. Just like the previous version, this lens features Tamron's vibration compensation. And let me tell you, Tamron stabilization system is the best in the industry right now. This lens gives you about 4.5 stops of stabilization. This will allow you to shoot handheld under low light situations and get blurry-free images. All right, so let's take a look at the lens construction. Now, it's a moisture-resistant construction. You have weather seals at all the critical spots of the lens. They've improved the fluorine coating on the front and the back of the lens. This is going to help you clean the lens. It's going to help reduce any smudges. It's going to repel dust and dirt, but also because you can't screw in a front filter. Now, if you have the Canon version and you want to use filters, the Canon version will accept filters at the rear of the lens. Tamron has done a really good job with the weather-sealed construction of this lens. You want to feel confident and be able to take this lens wherever you go, especially if you're a landscape photographer or you like to shoot outdoors. If you pair it with a camera that's weather-resistant, you need to have that extra security that in any type of inclement weather, nothing's going to happen to this lens. So if you're looking to go wide and you have a full frame DSLR from Nikon or Canon, you should seriously take a look at the 15 to 30 millimeter f2.8 G2 VC. I'm really excited. I'm about to just walk out and take some more photos. But if you need any more information, please click the link below. If this video helped you out, hit us up with a like button underneath. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. If you have any comments or questions or feedback, or anything on the 15 to 30 millimeter lens, you can leave them in the comments section below. Adam here, keep on shooting. I'll catch you in the next video.